guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Leave my husband alone. Nigerian woman pulls off wig of Nigerian lady in Ikeja mall. A video is currently making rounds on social media, and it involves a married woman and a young Nigerian lady involved in a brawl over a man, of course. In the video, a middle-aged woman could be seen accosting a much younger lady for sleeping with her husband. This event happened in the popular Ikeja City Mall in Lagos mainland. The woman could be seen pressing up high to the lady, hurling insults at her and calling her a husband snatcher. According to reports, the woman has been warning the young lady to stay off her man till she ran out of luck as she bumped into her in the shopping mall. Matters got out of hand and really heated, which led to the woman pulling off the wig of the young lady. Watch the video below. Thank you and have a nice time.